I asked you this yesterday. Is there already a paper? Has the President's directive regarding PCSO been put on black and white so that we can
Hindi
also
kailangan. The directive of the President, even if verbal, is legal.
So, a document pertaining to this is not forthcoming.
As I said, it's legal. So if it's legal, you don't have to put down in writing.
Okay. Sir, I know the investigation, as you mentioned, is still ongoing, but can you give us an idea, basic idea of how the so-called grand conspiracy, as you mentioned, among key players, happen? Highest ranking officials ba ito? Does this involve, ano ba, hindi nila binibigay yung dapat
Again, I will repeat
premyo
what I
or
said
what?
earlier. I said the President in due time will tell the Filipino people of what and how this conspiracy has been in operation for so many years since his assumption of the presidency.
It's safe to say now, though, sir, since you mentioned papangalanan ni Presidente in due time, that these people will be fired.
Well, most likely, if they're involved in corruption, then they will be.